Hello everyone, I am Astha Gupta and my AIR rank was 4637, and I'm also done with the written of UPSC CMS, waiting for the interview. So I would like to share like my plan, what I did in past 1 year. I hope it helped everyone. So basically, I know it is little tough, not tough, but it is very consuming, and all it needs is consistency. So it's my humble request to all my juniors, like all my batchmates, juniors, and everyone who will be preparing, that please believe in yourself, be consistent, and no matter what happens, like no matter what happens, your belief should be at the top. Like you should not be moved by anything around you. Make a plan and start working on it, and plan your day like you बचपन में जैसे हम बनाते थे like टाइम टेबल कि अच्छा ठीक है अब सुबह हमें इस टाइम उठना है. And also the people, like I would like to categorize two people here: those who are freshers, I mean who are interns and they have a very tough schedule, of course, and those who are like preparing easily sitting at their home. So please, those who have time, I would really suggest you that include some activities, physical activities, meditation, prayers, anything like you, what you like, anything that you that makes you away from all the studies and everything. So please include that time in your schedule, it is very important. I basically, when I prepared last year, I got 43,000 rank, and I was so much demotivated that अब क्या होगा मेरा. And I was like कि अब if I'll be able to make it now or not. So basically, I started my journey, and I used to study basically from Zainab ma'am. I used to follow her blindly, what she used to teach. But then I realized that my concepts are not very clear, and I have to work on my concepts first. So I was doing BTR side by side, but I was also doing RR videos. You can do RR videos from any platform, it doesn't matter. Like you can do it from Cerebellum or Marrow, whatever you like. Then do your concepts, make your concepts. It is for both freshers and people who are like have done the basic concepts. But I would still recommend that watch RR once again in like 2x speed, then do your RR side by side, do Zainab ma'am's all BTR. I followed Zainab ma'am blindly, I did her BTR, but I also did RR, of course. And many people ask me, many like people come and ask me, is BTR enough? Is BTR enough? Yes, BTR is enough. If you do MAM's all the modules, then you do MAM's compile modules, then you do extra edge. MAM has actually done everything in that crisp in a very crisp form. So you must choose Zainab ma'am. If you are done with your basic concepts, you should have some baseline, of course. For freshers, I would really ask you that please do your RR and then go for BTR. Coming to GTs, I was personally having a great GT fear, and I was like, I had good concepts, but I was not able to apply those concepts during the questions. So for that, I knew that the questions is the only thing that can save me. So I focused on questions. I used to follow midnight PYQs of Cerebellum, and I used to do those questions. Like it was like my 60% of the day was based on questions, and rest 40% of the day was based on revision, theory, and everything. So I did questions from Cerebellum and also from Marrow. I used to make compile modules and subject test. So question is like everything. So for people who have GT fear, I was like very scared of GTs. I had this major GT fear. So what I used to do was, like, to overcome this GT fear, I used to give twice or thrice GT per week. I know it can be aggressive, but it is for those who have GT fear ki like ab kya hoga, what if marks kam aa gaye, because it was like I had concepts but मैं apply नहीं कर पाती थी उन concepts को. So उस apply करने के लिए मुझे questions करने थे, और मुझे उस GT fear को भगाना था. I was like कि मुझे main day पे I should feel it's like a normal exam. So I had that aggressive approach towards GT, but it is just an advice for those who have GT fear. Otherwise you can give just one GT per week, it is enough. And one thing for those like who say that I have many problems at home and I have duties, I have this or that. I know it is tough. It is tough to manage everything. I'm not very learned person to say this, but just an example. I suffered from multiple ligament injury last year. I had like terrible triad of knee. I got operated in September, and from September till March, I was going through all the therapies, physiotherapy, and everything, and it was very, very, very painful. But and I was very tired also. Like I have to do therapy also, and have to study also. But honestly, please believe in yourself. Be consistent. I planned my day in that way that ठीक है प्रॉब्लम होगी बट पढ़ना तो है ही, पढ़ना नहीं छोड़ना. सो इट्स ओके. कुछ भी हो आपके अराउंड, लाइक कुछ भी, बट प्लीज़ डोंट बी मूव्ड by anything that goes around you, and I'm sure that you'll be like passing with flying colors next year. And it's your race, it's your journey. Don't compare yourself with anyone. Like will nobody will help you in future. It's your journey. So जो मैम ने बोला है कि अपनी जर्नी है, कमाल लिखो, तो प्लीज़ प्लीज़ make it beautiful. And today I'm very happy, and my parents are also very happy. And जो whatever I went through previous year, it's just a story now. What I'm living, it is the best dream that I ever think of. So all the best. So I would really like to thank all the teachers, and of course my family and friends who were like pushing me very hard all through the year, who were like standing like a rock with me. So thank you so much.